Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to my channel. The 10 English material on technical discussion how a conventional starter motor works. The starter motor in the vehicle is part of the starter system components. The starter motor is housed in a electric starter system. One type of starter motor that is often housed in car vehicle is a conventional starter motor. Mm, The starter motor functions as the primary mover of starter of the vehicle, so the vehicle can track. Conventional starter motor consists of several components. Conventional starter motor components including yoke and pole, the fifth coil, armature brush, cloth starter, drive lever, armature brake, and magnetic switch, solenoid. How a conventional starter motor works. When the starter switch is on, when the driver turns the ignition key into the starter position starter on, and then the battery a positive or corrects will from to the pull in coil and hold in coil on the magnetic switch starter solenoid, then head to the mass. uh, uh, Electric current flowing into the pull-in coil and hold-in coil will form a magnetic field in the same direction, so that it will pull the plunger, so the contact plates will close the main switch. Now connection terminal C to terminal 3G at the same time. When the plunger is attracted, then the plunger will also pull the drive lever to the drive. Also, the drive lever will pass the starter clutch, then the starter clutch will pass the pinion gear until it is related to the erect gear flywheel. Mm, Format decided is correct from when the ignition is turned in the starter position is as follows. Positive battery terminal uh, 5T all-in coil mass. Positive battery terminal 550 pull-in coil, 5 coil, armature mass. At this time, the correct following the magnetic switch is relatively small, so the electric current the goes to the armature is also still small because the content the plus canon cross the main switch, terminal C and terminal 3T are not yet connected. A small flow of current to the armature will make the armature rotate slowly, so the linking between pinion gear and ring gear can occur quickly. When the pinion gear is fully engaged, when the pinion gear is fully connected to the ring gear flywheel, the contact place uh, will cross the main switch, so the terminal C and terminal 3T are connected. Furthermore, in detail, the correct flow when the pinion gear is fully connected and the contact plate is connected to the main switch is a follow. Positive battery terminal TT in coil mass. Positive battery matched with terminal 3T connect place terminal C field coil armature mass. At this time the pole in the coil is not working because there is not correct flowing to the pole in coil, but the hole in coil is still working to hold the pinion gear in contact, and the contact place is still connected to the main switch. At the same time, the current from the positive battery directly flow into the armature, so the electric current that flow to the armature is larger. As a result, the armature will spin rapidly when the starting switch is off. When the starter switch is off, ignition on AK position, and the at time terminal 14 will not get a positive current from the battery. The current from at the starter motor is a follow. Positive battery terminal 30 for a contact flash terminal C full in coil, all in coil mass. Positive battery terminal 30 contact place terminal C third coil armature mass. At this time when the starter switch is off, the field coil and the hole in coil will not get current from terminal 5T, but from terminal C. The direction of the magnetic field at this time considered the pull in coil and the coil will be opposite direction, so the magnetization progress occur on the process of eliminating the magnetic field formed on both the coil hole and in pole. To the disappearing magnetic field, the fluid will return to its original position due to the restore spring. Thank you very much.